Hi, I'm Dr. Sam Lamb. I'm here in Vegas at the International Society for Hair Restoration Surgery. We're at the booth for Toppik, T-O-P-P-I-K. It's a type of camouflaging product. We've talked about it in one of our videos. Some of the new things are out here in terms of application are the way that we can actually apply it more easily. So we're here with Ruth, and she's going to explain to you guys what's out there in terms of being able to apply this product a little bit more easily than what was explained in our video. Ruth?
Okay, excellent. First of all, the original way of applying the product is via a sifter cap in the top of the bottle. And what the person would do is just apply it to their scalp, and the microfibers would fall into the thinning areas of the hair and apply to the skin, to the existing hair. And what happened was, bulk up, and people weren't liking it very much. So Mark created this Toppik spray maximizer, and what you do is you just spray it on instead of now shaking. I'm not sure if you can see that. And it disperses much more evenly. You end up saving a lot of product, and it's something that once people see what this can do, they buy it pair and pair. And another thing is, because this is so clumsy and it's kind of awkward and you can't really travel with it, it's kind of very odd looking too. This is the next model, next generation of the spray maximizer, and it's one piece, very easy to apply, and it gives the same exact results. And still comes in all 8 colors.
Very good.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So you heard it here in terms of some of the new products are on the pipeline for Toppik, and hopefully this was also a helpful video in conjunction to what we had before. Thank you.